Question: show that e to the power of x cos x is equal to 1 plus x minus 2x cube by 3 factorial 3 factorial wait a minute 3 factorial minus 2 square x to the power of 4 factorial and so forth 4 factorial and so forth. Now this is an infinite series. We'll take the Maclaurin's infinite series formula. The Maclaurin's infinite series formula is fx is equal to f of 0 plus x f dash 0 plus x square by 2 factorial f double dash 0 x cube by 3 factorial f triple dash 0 and x4 by 4 factorial f4 0 and so forth. Now you have fx as e to the power of x cos x. So f of 0 is e to the power of 0 cos 0 is nothing but 1 into 1 is 1. Now f dash x is of the form e to the power of x minus sin x plus you have this way, and e to the cos x e to the power of x. Take e to the power of x common, you have minus 1 this is minus sin x, wait a minute, minus, let's write it in this manner, cos x minus sin x, sorry, cos x minus sin x. Now do one thing, f dash x, write f dash x as take under root 2 inside, you multiply by under root 2 here, you have e to the power of x. Now you divide by under root 2 here and you write cos x minus 1 by under root 2 sin x. Do this because this under root 2 will cancel, under root 2 दोनों तरफ cancel हो जाएगा, multiply करो under root 2 से, divide करो under root 2 से, तो अंदर भी multiply by under root 2, divide by under root 2. That is the thing. Now this is f dash x is under root 2 e to the power of x. This is cos pi by 4 cos x minus sin pi by 4 sin x. Now this is nothing but e to the power of x. This is nothing but f dash x is equal to the under root 2 e to the power of x cos a cos b minus sin a sin b is cos a plus b. Now again doing the same process, f double dash x, I will have under root 2 e to the power of x. Same way I'll have cos x plus pi by 4 and minus sin x plus pi by 4, repeating the same, differentiating the same this way, the same in this manner, differentiating in this manner again. I'll get this now, instead of this I'll get now this. If you use product rule, take e to the power of x common, cos x is minus sin x, and then you write cos x e to the power of x, take e to the power of x out, e to the power x को कॉमन निकाल लो, e to the power x का आएगा cos x और दूसरे बार डिफरेंशिएट करोगे तो minus sin x. Now take as usual f double dash x is equal to under root 2, take another under root 2 here, e to the power of x 1 by under root 2 cos x plus pi by 4 minus 1 by under root 2 sin x plus pi by 4, and then you take this big square bracket. Now this f double dash x is under root 2 whole square. Because of this, e to the power of x, this becomes cos pi by 4 cos x plus pi by 4, then minus sine pi by 4 sine x plus pi by 4. Now again you use that formula cos c cos a cos b minus sin a sin b is cos a plus b. So this is under root 2 whole square e to the power of x cos x plus 2 times pi by 4. Now see one thing. When it is a double derivative, it is under root 2 to the power of 2. And here it is a 2. In the double derivative, you have a 2 here, you have a 2 here. So in the nth derivative, in the nth derivative, in the nth derivative, you will have under root 2 to the power of n e to the power of x cos x plus n pi by 4. देखो सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव में यहाँ पे 2 आया, यहाँ पे 2 आया और nth डेरिवेटिव पे यहाँ पे n, यहाँ पे n. दिस इज द वे. नाउ तो fn0 is nothing but under root 2 to the power of n, and this is cos this will be put 0 cos 0 plus n pi by 4, and this will be nothing but under root 2 to the power of n cos n pi by 4. So fn0 is this. Now let us use this concept. fx was what? Fx was what? E to the power of x cos x. Now at f1, at 1 it will be under root 2, put n equal to 1 here and n equal to cos pi by 4 is 1 by under root 2. Now plus at f0, sorry, the formula is, let's write down the formula again. Let's see the formula again. Let us see the Maclaurin's formula. The Maclaurin's formula is here. This is the Maclaurin's formula. This whole is our Maclaurin's formula. So sorry, at f0 we will have f0 is what? f0 is 1. So at f0, so fx is e to the power of x, fx is e to the power of x cos x is equal to 1 plus x f dash 0. So the first derivative at 0 is under root 2 into cos pi by 4. Now the second derivative x square by 2 factorial, second derivative, put 2 here, under root 2 whole square cos 2 pi by 4, and this is cos nothing but cos pi by 2, and this is nothing but 0. Therefore cos 2 pi by 4 is equal to cos pi by 2, and cos pi by 2 is 0. So therefore this whole term, ये पूरा term 0 हो जाएगा. This term will become 0. Now plus x cube by 3 factorial, f triple dash, put triple dash, under root 2 whole cube cos 3 pi by 4. Now at f4 dash plus x to the power of 4 factorial f4 dash under root 2 to the power of 4, let's rub this, under root 2 to the power of 4 cos 4 pi by 4 and so forth. This is cos. Just a minute, this is cos. This is cos. So let us now solve it, plus so and so forth. Now let us now solve this one. Yes, e to the power of x cos x is equal to 1 plus x under root 2 from here. X under root 2 into 1 by under root 2. This is plus this is x square by 2 factorial, and this whole thing is under root 2 whole square, and cos this 2 will cancel with pi by 2, and this will be 0. Now plus x cube by 3 factorial under root 2 whole cube cos pi minus pi by 4. This will give me 3 pi by 4 plus x4 by 4 factorial under root 2 to the power of 4. This will give me cos pi. because this 4 and this 4 will cancel, and so forth. Now let us go ahead. Let us now go ahead. This under root 2 will cancel with this under root 2. So e to the power of x cos x is equal to 1 plus x. This whole will become 0 because of this. Because of this it will become 0. Cos pi by 2 is 0. Cos 90 is 0. So now you have cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. So x cube by 3 factorial under root 2 whole cube cos pi by 4. And cos pi is minus 1 minus x to the power of 4 by 4 factorial, that is 2 to the power of under root 2 to the power of 4, and so forth. So e to the power of x cos x is equal to 1 plus x minus x cube by 3 factorial under root 2 whole cube. Cos pi by 4 is 1 by under root 2 minus x to the power of 4 by 4, and this is 2 to the power of half whole to the power of 4 plus dot dot dot. It goes to infinity. Now here e to the power of x cos x is equal to 1 plus x minus, cancel this with this, so this becomes square. So this becomes 2x cube to the power of by 3 factorial. Now this 2 will be 2, so this will be 2 square x to the power of 4, 2 square x to the power of 4 upon 4 factorial, and so forth.